So Hasan,
In my book, in my books, I am not seeing any dash in question number 35.
you open 49
Could
page.
you tell me?
49, 49.
Yes, yes, I am in 49 page, but my questions is about in question number 35. Question number 35, there is no dash. Have you seen it? Right?
I don't know why. What is your question? What is your question? Hasan,
Right. In my book, question number 35. Question number 35, it is misprinted. That's mean there is no dash. Okay. And could you tell me why is dash? Question number 35.
Hasan, 35 to 37 is fill in the gaps and 38 to 40 is true false not given. Okay, so 35 is numerous training session are aimed to at people who feel they are not dash enough. Is it?
They are not dash. Are not dash. Is it?
Yes, yes. Are not dash enough.
They are session are. Session are not
Yes, 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 yes.
dash. But
Numerous training sessions are aimed at people who feel they are not dash enough.
they are not enough.
Yes,
They are not enough dash. They are. Why is the dash then?
enough, before enough. Dash is located before enough.
Before. Okay. Fine. I got it. Okay. So now
Is
let's
it
start
similar
our
to me? Is it
answer
similar to
question.
me? Is it similar to me?
Actually, in my there is no dash in question number 35 in my book.
Okay, no problem. So numerous training sessions are aimed at people who feel they are not dash enough.
Numerous training sessions are aimed at numerous training sessions. Okay. So let's start searching. Why is numerous training sessions located? Mm.
Hasan, I answering these questions for the listeners 35 to 37 because we have 2 minutes left. So that's why I explain this. And after another Zoom, we are discussing 38 to 40, true false not given. Okay, Hasan? Okay, so 35 to 37. 35 answer is productive, which is located the paragraph number 1 and the line number is 5. always a means to becoming more productive. So this is the answer is productive, and the 36 answer is being organized appeals to people who regard themselves as dash. So this is the line number of the paragraph number A and line number of 9. This rhetoric has crept into thinking of business leaders, entrepreneurs, much to the delight of self-proclaimed perfectionists. Perfectionist is the answer, and the 37 um, answer is many people feel dash with aspects of their work. So this is the answer is paragraph number B and line number 2. A large proportion of workers from all demographics claim to. A large proportion of workers is similar to many people claim to dissatisfied with the way their work is distract, so the way they are managed. So this is the answer is dissatisfied. So I think 35 to 37 all of those questions are clear to you. So thank you for joining with us.